Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today I'm going to give you a tip on Microsoft CMT portal. And for this we are going to see that how can you accept abstract in bulk. So as you can see over here, if you are a chair for any conference, you can see this chair option over here, and you can see conference name over here, and this is your detail, your name over here. On the left side you can see submission, users and settings. Now you have to go to submission first, and after going to submissions you can select all, whatever all submissions are there. You can see all the submissions in this page if you select all. Now to accept all the abstract at once in a bulk, what you have to do, so let's say if I just show you, the first thing is that you have to click on this, and that will give you a manual option to accept or reject the submission. So let's say over here it's awaiting decision, abstract, accepted, reject, like this. So this is a manual one, and you have to repeat this thing for all the papers, all the submissions you have, right? So what you have to do to consider to make bulk acceptance, what you have to do, you have to go to actions, and then you have to go to this paper status, click on bulk edit. Now you can see how many papers are selected. 85 papers are selected. Click on this and click on abstract accepted, right? So click on abstract accepted and click on save. So the status of all the submission now has been changed to abstract accepted. However, I think whoever the authors are there, they will not get a notification of abstract acceptance. So what you have to do, you have to you have to email all the authors. So now how to bulk email all the authors is that click on again action tab, and then you have to go to this email, and you have to click on authors primary contact. So whoever are the prime or the corresponding author, they will get the email. If you click on authors all with registered account, then all the authors will get email. So it's up to you. If you want to send the notification to all the authors, you can click on this. If you want to send the corresponding author, you can click on this. So let me show you. If you are sending to all the authors, click on this, all the registered author, and now over here you can see there are 106 recipients, and you can see all the details over here in the recipient list. Now over here you can see there's a option for template. So you can create a new template also, and if you have already created a template, you can use that template for abstract acceptance notification. If you have not created, you can click also on create new, provide the subject, provide the body, and then click on save as new template. So that will save this template as a abstract acceptance notification. I already created one, so I have this abstract acceptance notification. I will click on that, and as you can see, I'm getting this subject already, which I already saved in a template. So the subject is abstract acceptance notification. Then I have created a body, and I have used some placeholders also, and this is the complete body for the abstract acceptance. You can create your own also, and then you can preview the emails which are going to be sent. So like this, you can see there is a total 106 recipients. Subject will come, then this the name of the recipient will come, and then there is body, and then you can click on send emails to send the emails to all the recipients. So in this way you can do bulk editing and bulk email sending in Microsoft CMT. If you like the video, the like button, and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.